In a lush, verdant garden, there lived a humble flower named Blossom. Blossom was the most beautiful flower in the garden, her petals a vibrant shade of red that gleamed under the sun. One day, a tiny creature called Thrip crept into the garden. Thrip was known for its insatiable appetite for flowers. It was a pest, a tiny destroyer that could wreak havoc on the garden's blooms. Blossom, however, was unaware of Thrip's reputation. She welcomed the tiny creature with open petals, thinking it was another bee come to pollinate her. Thrip, on the other hand, was overjoyed. It had found its next feast. Day after day, Thrip feasted on Blossom, eating her petals and leaving behind black marks on her once beautiful face. The other flowers in the garden watched in horror as Blossom withered. They knew they were next if they did not act. So, they called upon Beetle, the garden's wise protector. Beetle, though small, was strong and wise. He had faced many threats in the garden before. He told the flowers that the only way to protect themselves was to work together. The flowers listened to Beetle's wisdom. They banded together, forming a barrier against Thrip. Each flower took turns to protect the others, never letting their guard down. Thrip, unable to feast on its favorite flower, started to move on. Blossom, with the help of her fellow flowers, started to heal. The garden was saved, thanks to the power of unity. In the end, Blossom stood tall, her petals restored. She looked at her fellow flowers, each one a testament to the power of unity. United, we stand. Divided, we fall, Blossom said, her voice echoing through the garden. Let's never forget this lesson, for it is the key to our survival. And so, the flowers learned a valuable lesson that day. They learned that unity is strength, and that together, they could overcome any obstacle. The garden thrived, a testament to the power of unity.